Hello guys, welcome to my channel named Mr. Technical Gyan. Today in this video I am going to show you all how to download WWE2K15 in our Android phone. Now this game is not available on Play Store and other stores. If you get and download then also all are cracked and after some day it will stop running. So to solve that in 2020 I brought this new video for you all to play this WWE2K15 game without any technical issue. Now enjoy its gameplay. After that I will show you how to download it and play it for free. Stay home, stay safe. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. I need a huge support from all. And one thing you should do is that you need to download first Telegram app from Play Store and only I can help you to download this app. After downloading the Telegram app,